How to fix Duolingo An Error Occurred, try again later. So here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into your phone settings, and here you just want to search for storage. So iPhone storage, click on iPhone storage, and from the list of applications here, I'll just sort it by name, and you want to find Duolingo from this list. I'm going to click on show all. Just locate Duolingo, click on it, and the first thing that you want to do is offload the app. Offload the application and just reinstall it afterwards. This is going to verify the integrity of the files for Duolingo. After this has been reinstalled, I'll just give it some time here to reinstall. After it has been reinstalled, the second thing that I can suggest doing is checking your internet connection. So if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching over to your mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Those should fix the issue with Duolingo. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.